This is the Avantree HT5006, the in-ear wireless headphone and long-range transmitter set. Here's what you'll find inside the box. A closer look at the transmitter. And the NB26 headphone. To set up, please connect the transmitter to a power source using the micro USB cable we provided. And flip the switch to TX to power on. You'll see the TX LED start flashing white.
Power on. Bluetooth transmitter mode with active bypass.
Next, power on the headphones by pressing and holding the power button until the LED indicator turns blue.
Connected. Ready for use.
Once connected, the A indicator and the LL indicator on the transmitter should turn solid white. There are 3 ways to connect your HT5006 to your TV: optical, auxiliary, and RCA. If you have optical, simply connect the HT5006 using the optical cable we provided. Next, go to the sound settings menu on your TV and make sure that your sound format has been set to PCM. And please make sure that you select external speaker in your sound settings menu. If you're using auxiliary, connect the HT5006 to your TV's headphone jack with the auxiliary cable we provided. And make sure that you set your TV's audio output to headset. Finally, if you have an older TV with RCA port, please utilize the RCA adapter and auxiliary cable to connect the HT5006. And please make sure that you select external speaker in your sound settings menu. To charge the headphones, simply pop the charging dock open and connect it to a power source using a micro USB cable. The LED indicator will turn red while charging. And that's how you Bluetooth enable your TV with the Avantree HT5006. Thanks for watching.